coming to the playgroup has definitely made me more confident as a mum, because you sort of get to chat with others and the staff who deal with little kids on a daily basis.
They're amazing, like they really are obviously what makes the groups, but it's what gets you to come along as well, and they're very like introducing you to people, and because I didn't know any of these women coming along to it, and I'm an older mum this time round with my daughter, so it's nice to have a group of women that you feel safe with.
I was really impressed because they just showed that really concern of wanting to help him and that, and he loved it, he loved that attention and encouragement, and which helped him develop some of the skills that he didn't have.
Like we do singing, and there's a few songs that we were learning in Nyungar language as well, which I like to take home and try and teach Lucy as well.
It helps not only the parents but the child to develop early, because when they go into school, they're not really behind. The parents need to have that connection as well with the child in these programs. Is very important for their development.
We do the seasons. I didn't know my seasons, I didn't know Aboriginal counting, I didn't know any of that, so that teaches me to teach my kids as well.
We're all like really supportive of each other, we have a good chat, we look out for each other's babies, and you know, it's just a really supportive kind of environment.